Hey, welcome back to the lecture. So in this video, let's explore about a debugging hardware which is used in this course in order to trace various signals of the microcontroller peripherals such as I2C, SPI, UART, and other peripherals. The device which is used to trace various signals of the microcontroller is called as USB logic analyzer. Now, USB Logic Analyzer, as its name indicates, you can connect this device to PC over USB communication or USB interface, and you can trace various signals of the microcontroller. So, USB Logic Analyzers are low-cost solution to your digital oscilloscopes. So digital oscilloscopes, as you know, it is very bulky and very high price devices, and the digital oscilloscopes have lots of features, high frequency range. So all those features you cannot expect in this USB logic analyzer. Okay, so it is very low cost and majorly used as a signal analyzer. Okay, not as oscilloscope. Remember, in this course, I have used a USB logic analyzer which is produced by the company called Sally. Okay, so you can read more about the logic analyzers which are produced by this company by going into this URL www.sally.com. So they have all the details here. So if you go to SPY, I2C, and more. So by using this hardware, okay, you can automatically capture and decode various protocols such as SPI, I2C, serial, one wire, CAN, and various other serial communication protocols. Okay, and so what you are seeing here is a software, okay, which is used to capture the signals and decode the signals. So this software we are going to use in this course in order to capture the signals and analyze the protocol. Now, you have to use this software along with USB logic analyzer hardware, which is produced by Sally. Okay. Now, if you go to the product section, then you can see various boards or USB logic analyzers produced by this company, and based on various features. Okay, so they have Logic 8 board, Logic Pro 8, and Logic Pro 16. So basically, I use Logic 8 because that was the first USB logic analyzer I bought a couple of years ago, and I'm still using that. That is perfectly fine for this course. Okay, and if you want more information about different USB logic analyzers such as Logic Pro 8 or 16, you please contact the customer care executive, okay, of this company, and they will help you to select right USB logic analyzer for your work. Okay, whether to buy this board or not, so that is completely depends upon you, so about your work, and if you work heavily in the field of embedded software development, then as a debugging tool it's a must have. So, and finally everything depends upon your budget and all. Okay, so if you're a student, if you have a small startup on embedded software development, etc., then you can ask for discount. Okay, so please contact the customer care of this company. Now remember that this is not the only company which produces USB logic analyzer. So there are lots of other companies such as Analog Devices and Texas Instruments, and other companies also produce USB logic analyzers. Now, I found a very low cost USB logic analyzer in SparkPun page, which looks something like this. Okay, this is a logic analyzer, and this logic analyzer is actually used with a software called PulseView. Okay, and please explore about the PulseView and this logic analyzer if you want to use this hardware. Okay, so this is actually 8 channel 24 megahertz. So that means the maximum signal frequency should be within 24 megahertz. Okay, so if it exceeds 24 megahertz, then this hardware will not be able to capture that. So those limitations are always there. Okay, 24 megahertz USB logic analyzer is more than sufficient for our course. Okay, so you can use this. And also there is one more company called Picotech, which also produces something called Picoscope. Okay, so this is also USB based 16 channel logic analyzer. So just go to Google and explore about various USB logic analyzers. But For this course, we have used USB logic analyzer from Saley Logic, how to use this software, how to get the trace, how to do the connections, how to decode the trace, how to understand. So everything we will learn as we make a progress. All right, so if you want to download this software, then you just have to go to the download section here, and here you can download according to your operating system. Okay, so it is available for Windows, Linux, and for Mac also. Okay, great. So I hope you can do that, and I'll see you in the next lecture.